Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel or this is your very first time you're joining my channel, hi, how are you doing? My name is Wendy and in this channel I make content around my lifestyle as an immigrant living here in Canada with my family, and also how you can migrate to Canada. So if this sounds so interesting, please do well to click on the red subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you will be the first to get notified each time I drop a new video. And remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and also share with your friends and family. For my old and returning subscriber, thank you so much, family. Thank you for your massive support. Thank you for your love for me in this channel. I am not taking that for granted, okay? So guys, without wasting much of our time, we are going to be jumping into today's video. But before that, if you're wondering, Wendy, what is happening? Where is your wig? So my wig is coming. I just finished making up and I decided to use the makeup. I've done like 3 videos today, so I decided to also use this makeup and also do this video. So that is why you are not seeing my wig, but in a moment you're gonna be seeing the wig, okay? So guys, in today's video I have this box right here. This is from Love Me Hair, and this hair I got it from Love Me Hair, and I'm gonna be unboxing this hair right here today with you guys and show you everything we have in here. Like when I heard about this company, it was a friend of mine that introduced me to Love Me Hair, which is Nelly White Lion. Hi sis. Okay, so when I heard about the company, I never knew that their hairs are so awesome, so good, you know. So I tried to check them out, and this is their packaging. The good thing I like about this is that after red, yellow, then purple is my best, another of my best color. So I love this color and I love the packaging, the way they use ribbon on it, and the name is right here, Love Me Hair. So I'm gonna be unboxing this hair and we all are gonna see what exactly we have inside here. So when I opened the box, this is how it came. It has this, and this is where the luxury hair is, which I'm going to be opening in a moment. But there are other things I have inside here, which is also, we have this. I will open them one after the other. And we have also this, and we have this as well. Then we also have this, which is a wig cap. And another thing we have here is this card. So let me see what we have. So this one is so this is brush for laying of edges, you know. This is how it looks. And this one, I think this one is more like a mini makeup bag. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it very well. This is more like mini makeup bag, but I will. And this one we have right here, I don't know what this is. I guess this might be a mirror. I have no idea. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh wow, gorgeous. Okay, so family, this is a mirror. Can you guys see? I can see myself right there. So this is a small mirror from also Love Me Hair, and this is the little purse for the mirror. Then the very next thing that I have here is more like a sachet. So this is more like a sachet to use to tie my front edges each time I lay the front edge. So I can use this. So this is more like to use and tie the front edges and all that, okay? All right, so I'm loving this hair already, and this came in this packaging. So we're gonna go ahead and open that and see how the hair is. Ooh. So here it is, and this is a bob hair that I got. So guys, in a minute I'm gonna definitely come back and show you guys how the hair is. I'm gonna go right now straighten it, do some small stuff to it, and make it look much more better. And I'll be right back. Go nowhere, sit back while I'll be back in a... So guys, look at how the outcome of my luxury glueless bob hair looks on me. Yeah, I love the vibe that I'm having on this hair. Like seriously, you guys need to see or touch the texture of this hair. So amazing, so awesome. Like, I love it. And the look is so pretty. Nice on me. So I love my hair. In case if you're watching me and you want to kind of purchase your own, I'm going to be leaving the link in my description box of this video. Do well to check it out and go get yours. Okay? Yeah, I love my hair.